Hello out there, my friends. Wake Angel 2001 back here with another unboxing. This is a package that came to me. It was sent from Party Toys Incorporated warehouse, so I don't think that's the name of the person that sent it. So let's get it open and see what it is. Wake Angel 2001 is always methodical with his cuts. Alright. Okay, Party Toys. Got the order detail is listed below. Alright, it appears to be an Amy Rose figure. It's all wrapped up in some bubble wrap, so let's try to get this open without damaging the bubble wrap, so that when the figure is complete, I can wrap it in this bubble wrap again. Yep, it is a single-carded Amy Rose figure. And you know what? I'm always seeing this. Look at her shoulders. I'm not sure if that's coming out, but one of her arms is upside down. Let me see if I can illustrate this for you. I can use my Amy Rouge figure. Okay, you see how the arms are like this so that they don't have to be completely out for her dress? On this figure that was sent to me, one of the arms is kind of, it's been reversed like that. Like it's a backwards arm. I'm not sure if they accidentally used two of the same arm mold or if they just kind of folded it the wrong way, but I find that those single-carded Amy's are almost always, there's almost always something wrong with the way their arms go. So yeah, with that being said, that's what came in this package. So if you ordered an Amy Rose figure from Party Toys, you can go ahead and contact me with the email. We'll confirm it with the shipping number, the tracking number, which is on the box, so that I can get your name on the package properly and we can go ahead to make it into a custom later on.